people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back if you're new. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and turn that notification bell on. I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays. If you turn it on, you won't miss any of my bonus videos that I upload as well. Today we are back with another Plouise Budget Box unboxing. I'm absolutely buzzing again that I've managed to get another one of the boxes. So this is June's box. We haven't had any sneaker previews for July's box yet, which is quite strange. I'm hoping that there's something big and beautiful on the way, but this is June's box, so it just looks like this. If you are new to this box, it's basically like a one-off box that Plouise sells every single month. It retails for £30. Each month is different, and to be fair, ever since they started it, there's always been like new products in the box, but that's not always going to be the case. It's basically a way of trying Plouise when you are on a budget. That's the whole kind of purpose of this box. And this one, we have three brand new products to try. And the first one that we got, which is the one that I really wanted this box for, this is the brand new Hot Shot Brow Balm from Plouise. This is sold out at the moment. I think she's taken pre-orders and I think it's about £14–15, so half the price of the box anyway. And this is just what the little tub looks like. It is actually really cute. And then the inside just looks like this. You can see the texture there. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm really excited to, because apparently it's totally different to like the brow soaps that everyone's been bringing out. So yeah, it comes with a little spoolie inside and then a little kind of instruction thing on how to use it too. So I'm super excited. I might try that tomorrow for the first time. Another thing that we got that is brand new, these are the brand new Also Beautiful, can't say that word, Also Beautiful Eyebrow Paint. So when you bought this box, you got to pick two different colours. You could have picked the same colour twice, but I just picked two different colours. So I got Espresso, which is normally the one that I would put on. It's the one that I've actually got my brows now, the brow gel. And I've got the brow pencil, but I haven't tried it yet from the previous box. So I've got Espresso, which is like the darkest colour. And then I also got Hazelnut Latte, which is way too warm for me. I'm going to have to sell this on. So if you're interested in buying it, pop me a message and let me know, and I'll sell it on to you. UK only, obviously. And yeah, I'm going to try this one, the Espresso one, which is the darker one. I think I need Mochaccino. I think that's the colour that I need to try, just in case Espresso is too dark. So if anyone has Mochaccino and wants to swap for Hazelnut Latte, please let me know, because we'll swap with you. And we're not even finished. So they retail for like £14.50 each. And then obviously that retails for like £14 something as well. So we're well over the box value already, but we have three more products to go through too. So we all got a brush in this one. This is what mine looks like. So this is the 673 brush, and oh my god, look how beautiful it is. It's so nice and fluffy, and it's like, I think it'd be too big for a highlighter brush. I mean, I could probably still get away with it, and I could probably get away with it as a blusher brush because my cheeks are that small. But you could use it for contour, you could use it for setting underneath the eyes, you could just use it for setting all over the face, if you, especially my small forehead. Come in handy for that too. But yeah, a little brush as well. So that'll be going straight into my brush collection. I don't really have many, I don't think I have any actually of Plouise's big brushes. I think I only have like the small ones, like the eyeshadow ones, not like the face ones. So my first ever one. The next product is the first thing in this whole box and the only thing in this whole box that I already have. So this is the Plouise Basic Cosmetic Base in Cute and Coral. It just looks like this, and I already have her. Have a little look. I bought her for liquid blusher, to use her as liquid blush. So she's actually in my liquid blush drawer. I can't actually find it. There she is. There she is, sneaky. So this one's mine, and this is the brand new one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep obviously mine, and I'm going to sell a brand new one. So I'm going to pop that on Depop in case anybody else wants to buy it at a cheaper price. And then last but not least is another base, and this is a darker one, which I'm so glad that they've done, because all the bases previously have been like I think we had like a shade 2, 2.5, if I remember rightly, or was it just 2.5? I'm not too sure, but it was like my colour. So I'm glad that they've put a darker one in so that it kind of fits and suits more people, and obviously I could use this as like cream contour as well. So this is the Room number 6 shade, and I looked in my collection, I don't actually have this at all. I have number 5, so that's kind of the difference between the two in case you're interested at all. So this one, obviously the dark one, is Room number 6. So yeah, I can definitely use that for kind of cream bronzer and also for doing like a bronzy kind of base. I wanted to have my base bronzy, not going with like a lighter primer. I can use that one as well. So I'm really, really impressed the fact that like out of 6 products in this box, there's only actually 1 that I already have. Really, really impressed with it. And I'm really impressed that they're still putting like new things in. Obviously, I know it's not going to last forever because they're not going to have something new to be able to give us every single month, and that's not what the box was made for anyway. The box was made for people who are on a budget to be able to try Plouise. That was the whole reason for it. But yeah, I'm absolutely buzzing. I'm really, really excited to try this. Really excited. And yeah, I'm definitely going to have to sell the hazelnut latte and obviously the one that I've already got for the liquid blush, because I definitely am not going to get through 2. I know that's for sure. And I think I'm going to give this one a try, and maybe if this is too dark, I'll sell this on and then get the mochaccino one and see what that one's like instead. It's so hard, I think, when you have blonde hair but you have very, very cool tone brows, because it's so hard to find something that's dark enough for my brows, because my brows are naturally quite dark, but also cool tone. Everything else is warm. Not everyone has warm brows. I don't understand. Most people I know have cool tone brows, to the point where like I can't think of anybody that I know, apart from Georgie, who has literally just gone into more warm tone brows because she's dyed her hair. If she hadn't dyed her hair, then she wouldn't have gone into the more warm tone ones, and she got the warm tone ones anyway, so she wouldn't be able to get the hazelnut latte off me. My phone's going crazy. What is happening over here? People are selling makeup in the auction. Oh, it's not an auction though. People just selling makeup. £10 plus postage for the lot. Whoa! There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17 products there, and somebody's selling them for 17 products for £10 plus postage. Wow. £5 plus postage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 lip products. Wow. Wow, she's been savage. She's selling stuff like dirt cheap. Just in case you're wondering what on earth I'm on about. So I have a Patreon, in case anyone doesn't know who is new to my channel. It's basically a way of helping to support me in my YouTube channel, because we are only small, and obviously I'm not even getting enough money to be able to have this as a part-time job, never mind to make like a living off it or anything like that. So it's like a nice way of kind of showing further support for me. So it costs like £1 a month. Some people kind of have the £3 one, some people pay for the £5 one. It's entirely up to you, but most people pay for like the £1 one. And we have like an exclusive group chat, we have an exclusive Instagram, exclusive giveaways, lives, and all that kind of stuff as well. The group chat is something that we're active in every single day. Like, we all talk every single day. To be fair, the group chat is with the first person that I speak to in the morning, aside from Blake. But Blake's already gone to work. The group chat is literally the first thing that I speak to when I say morning to everybody. So in the group chat, we've also got a separate group chat, which is for selling makeup to each other, and it's also got Alex's, Lizzie's, and Bryony's patrons in it as well. So all of us are in there, so we all just sell makeup to each other. We do makeup auctions. It's just amazing. It's just beautiful. This is a beautiful time to be alive. Some bargains in the sales chat, ladies. I know. Random side note, just because I know this video is going to be short, so I can blabber on at the end. What are you feeling about this new Colourpop Powerpuff Girls collection? What are you thinking about it? Because the palette looks beautiful. Like, it wouldn't be one that I would typically reach for just because of the colour scheme, but obviously it fits Powerpuff Girls perfectly, so that's why I'm like buzzing with it. But yeah, what do you think? The blushes look gorgeous. Oh my god. As well, and it has little hair clips and everything. I'm definitely going to have to do an order to get some of it, because oh my god. And Colourpop put on a thing saying like they were doing like polls between like, do you like this cartoon more than this cartoon and stuff like that, and they said like, what's your favourite cartoon? And I was like, please do a Scooby-Doo collection, please. I'm literally gagging for it. Like, I just want a Scooby-Doo collection so bad. It'll be, imagine the oranges, the greens, the purples, the browns that you could do, blues. Oh my god, the colours that you get out of it, perfect. But anyways, I'm blabbering on, and I'll let you get going. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you pick up these Plouise boxes, whether you think it's worth your money. As somebody myself who owns quite a lot of Plouise, I haven't really got too much where it's been like duplicates of things that I already have, which I absolutely love about the box, because that's one of the things that I was a bit kind of nervy about. but I've loved every single box since it started. So yeah, I'd love to know what you think down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hopefully will see you in another video very, very soon. Love you so much. Bye.